You may want to edit photos to show that you are in a specific place, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add yourself to any photo on Snapseed. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just go ahead and open up the Snapseed app right here and just tap anywhere to open a photo. So you should be able to see the photos from your camera roll right here. So for example, I'm going to put this photo I found on the internet on this specific Eiffel Tower photo. So I'm just going to open up the background that I want to put my photo into. So from here, just click on Tools right here and click on Double Exposure right over here. And then you should be able to see this icon that has the plus icon, so tap on that and your camera roll should pop up. So just choose the photo that you want to add to that background. So just choose your photo. So like that, and now we can adjust the position of our photo. So we can adjust it accordingly so that it will be appropriate and will look realistic as we edit it. So you can resize it by pinching in or pinching out, and you can just move it anywhere on the screen. So I'm going to put it at the lower right over here. So as you can see, the opacity is low so that we can see where is the placement of our photo. So once you have determined the position, just click on this check mark at the bottom right. And then click on this layer icon at the top part of the screen. Click on View Edits and click on Double Exposure right here. Now let's click on the settings icon. And what we're going to do is to adjust the opacity to the full level so that our photo is fully visible like that. So just check on the check mark again at the bottom right. And from here, click on the double exposure once again and click on this brush icon. From here, click on this icon right here. And what we're going to do is to brush on the character or the photo that we have. So we're going to brush on the person right here. So you need to be precise on this part so that it'll look realistic later on. So we're just gonna zoom in so that it will be more accurate and brush through the subject of the photo. Now once you have brushed on the subject of your photo, just tap on this icon right here and then click on this eye icon. And as you can see lapses on your brush, so you can just brush on it again and to polish everything. And once it looks pretty decent to you, you can just click on this check icon at the bottom right. Let's click on this back arrow icon. And now you should have added yourself to the background that you want using the Snapseed app. And after you have edited it, just click on this export option and then you can click on save right here. Or you can also click on export to create a copy with permanent changes. So you can tap on that and wait for it to load. And now it should be successfully exported and it should be on your photo gallery. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.